today is Lieutenant Ken Kokler, call sign Beeve. He is with us here today from Naval Air Station Lemoore, California. Today's show will be performed at speeds of up close to 700 miles an hour. Maneuvers should demonstrate the aircraft's capabilities in tactical areas and are employed during combat training flights. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to Airshow left, where you hear the Super Hornet's twin F414 turbofan engines, 42,000 pounds of thrust. Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Navy Super Hornet. Ladies and gentlemen, have your cameras ready. Set the speed to fast from Airshow right. There it is, your United States Navy F-18 Super Hornet. The full capability of air power was realized. As we watch them high overhead right now, they have rejoined into that diamond formation, and they'll be setting up here for their nice enclosed passes here. The greatest efforts of only a few naval aviators changed the course line as Paul Wood in the A4 Skyhawk. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most historic legacy flights ever flown. Your United States Navy Talhoot Legacy Flight for 2011. The Corsair, the Skyhawk, the Buckeye, and the Super Hornet. We have the Skyhawk in the left wing, the Buckeye in the slot. Ladies and gentlemen, from directly in front of us here at Airshow Center, your United States Navy Talhoot Legacy Flight. F4U Corsair. On the left wing, the 1957 A4 Skyhawk, the 1962 T2 Buckeye, and out there on the right wing, today's United States Navy Super Hornet.
Oh, I missed it. That was badass.
My camera, there's no way it would have.
I couldn't get the button fast enough.
Make sure you get yourself plenty of good things to eat and drink throughout the day and enjoy what's just an incredible day to be here at this repositioning out here off of Airshow left. We all know the job of a naval aviator is never complete until his aircraft is back aboard its floating home. Landing a few hundred feet of moving ship at 130 miles an hour is extremely challenging and a matter of great pride. Let's watch right now as Lieutenant Kokler sets up for the carrier break. This is from Chicago, Illinois. That is Vlado Lenik and the beautiful P-51 Mustang. As Vlado extends Airshow right, he brings that stick back into his lap, brings that airplane right on up into that gorgeous blue sky. Arc it straight up, going through 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet. Look at the sun shining off those wings. He goes right across the top. Right there at 3,000 feet overhead, Vlado tilts his head back in that bubble canopy. He makes his wind corrections, lines himself right up on his FAA-mandated airshow control line. He breaks the loop at the 5/8 point. He executes 2 out of 4 points, lines himself right back up again. Diving in, the airspeed winding up dramatically as he comes right back at us here from Airshow left. The beautiful sounds of that Rolls-Royce Merlin V12 as we watch Vlado hunt right back up in that beautiful blue sky. Thunderbolt 2!
Watch now as Captain Shetterly pulls the A-10 straight into the vertical, demonstrating the Warthog's power and maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Captain Shetterly is now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the show line where he will perform a double aileron wrap at 200 degrees per second. From the left, Captain Chatterley displaying the Warthog's rolling maneuverability.
A-10s just like this one are providing close air support. Coalition forces supporting today's joint fight. I'm honored today to demonstrate how we're getting that job done with a mighty hog. And in the words of Todd Faber, true American patriot, let's roll.
Don't put those cameras down just yet. The A-10 is the premier close air support aircraft supporting our ground forces engagement. It will now take Captain Chatterley less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second strafe attack. With two hogs working together, enemy forces could expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds.
That's too bad.
Captain Chatterley is now repositioning for his final attack, where he will simulate dropping Mark 82 500-pound bombs. These general-purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hog's arsenal of weapons.
Hoggers in the southwest with bombs, last pass.
Captain Chatterley is now performing a jink-out maneuver. This continuously changing three-dimensional maneuver. Once again, we salute all those fighting in today's joint fight and any wounded warriors and veterans in attendance today. This event has grown in popularity and demand, and now heritage flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Please watch as this rare formation approaches from the right. Flying in formation today is a World War II era P-51 Mustang, piloted by Mr. Vlado Lenin, and a current United States Air Force A-10C Thunderbolt II, piloted by Captain Joe Chatterley.
To fly and fight, who have served their country in the sky with a grateful heart and watchful eye. We and may the faithful proud keep the
Phoenix Air Force aircraft on our journey from heritage to horizons. And now from behind and directly overhead, your 2011 United States Air Force Heritage Flight.
Sweet.